jumping walls, try not to scuffle my kicks. Black gloves on my hands, leave no traces of tears. Blue rag on my face, blue still for the hit. A product of this gangsta shit, California streets possess me, been labeled a criminal since the first time they arrest me. Tried to break me down under pressure, but never did this stress me. Knowing the code of the streets, and these streets will be the dead me. Baptized by these fires, I'm a gangster by blood. A product of the body code that was corrupted by drugs. From the land of crooked cops, wrong move they bust us. Send us to the institutions, all surrounded by thugs. Introduced to the judicial system at the age of 9. By the tender age of 12, I was serving some time. I seen fools kill, pass away, others drop down. But I'm still in these streets, bringing sounds across the streets. I'm filled with the